Welcome to Skyline Realtors West Zone, Hyderabad. We are delighted to introduce a fantastic opportunity for homebuyers, an east-facing duplex house spanning 150 square yards in the vibrant Bhel Ashok Nagar, Kakatiya Nagar area. Nestled conveniently near Domino's Pizza, this property enjoys a prime location just 300 meters from Mumbai National Highway road, surrounded by a mix of apartments and independent houses. Construction area sprawling across 2,500 square feet of meticulously designed space, total floors, ground 1, complete with tastefully furnished interiors featuring beautifully designed built-in wardrobes, ground floor, comprising one master bedroom, kitchen, hall, and dedicated parking, first floor, featuring a spacious hall and two luxurious master bedrooms, outdoor spaces, boasts one utility balcony and a terrace area for relaxation and enjoyment. Utilities enjoy uninterrupted water supply with 24-hour borewell and Manjira water facilities. Location proximity conveniently located just 2 kilometers from BHEL Junction, a mere 300 meters away from Mumbai Highway Road, approximately 10 kilometers from High-Tech City, close proximity to Nallagandla, 5 kilometers, and Beeramguda Kaman, 500 meters. Priced at 1 crore rupees 55 lakhs, negotiable, this duplex house epitomizes a perfect fusion of comfort, style, and functionality, making it an irresistible prospect for discerning buyers. For further inquiries or to arrange a viewing, kindly reach out to us.